GameStore.lk. Asus VivoBook 15 OLED M513UA AMD Ryzen 5. Free Asus backpack. Asus VivoBook stickers pack. Free Asus mouse. With standout colors and a color-blocked enter key, Asus VivoBook 15 OLED adds flair and dynamism to daily computing. With its AMD Ryzen processor, VivoBook 15 OLED provides the power you need to get things done. VivoBook 15 OLED lets you express your true colors, with its vivid and stunning 15-inch Nano Edge FHD OLED display and awe-inspiring Harman Kardon certified audio. It also features a dual storage design that combines the fast data speeds of an SSD with the large capacities of an HDD, giving you the best of both worlds in order to boost productivity. 15.6 inches 1920 by 1080 OLED DCI-P 3 to 100% color gamut Pantone validated. Asus OLED laptops deliver exceptionally detailed and realistic visuals, with a cinema-grade 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. This means that the colors reproduced on the display are richer and more vivid. It's ideal for color-intensive projects, but also enhances any kind of content. VivoBook 15 OLED features a reversible USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with an any-way-up design that makes connecting devices effortless. It includes USB 3.2 Gen 1 and USB 2.0 ports, HDMI output, and a micro SD card reader so you can easily connect all your current peripherals, displays and projectors. The full-size backlit keyboard on VivoBook 15 OLED is perfect for working in dim environments. Its sturdy one-piece construction and 1.4mm key travel provide a comfortable typing experience. Accessing your Asus VivoBook 15 OLED has never been easier or more secure. With the built-in fingerprint sensor in the touchpad and Windows Hello, there's no need to type in your password every time to log in. Just a single touch is all it takes. 720p HD camera. Built-in speaker, built-in microphone Harman Kardon, mainstream, with Cortana support. VivoBook 15 OLED features a dual storage design to give you super-fast data performance and exceptional storage capacity. The SSD offers super-fast response and app loading times, while the HDD can be used to store large amounts of data such as movies, music libraries and photo albums. AMD Ryzen 55500U, 6-core, 12 threads up to 4.0 GHz. 8GB DDR43200 MHz 512GB NVMe SSD. AMD Radeon Graphics.